wagon. These things are so cool. I never get to see any of them though. I've never seen one in person. A G350D. That's quality. So guys, I'm going to do a new thing on my channel now, because you guys tend to ask me a lot of questions down in the comments. If you guys do have a question, do leave it in the comments, but instead of replying to you in the comments, I will reply to you in the following video. I think that's a better way of doing it. It means I get to interact with the crew a bit more. I think we'll try that. Good one, you've blocked the road. I'll give him A for effort. Plonker. He tried his best. He tried his breast. His breast. Not his best. No, go on. Alright, you swung my arm. Is that the phrase? Swung my arm? I don't know. Twisted my arm. That's the way, that's the phrase. Fucking bell end. You really are quite a potato, aren't you? Oh my god, what the fuck is going on? I don't understand! Someone was a sausage, one of you two. Jesus. I don't know what that was. Woo! Oh, he vapes. He vapes. Look at that, he definitely vapes. Ooh, smells kind of fruity. Should I ask him what flavour he's got? I've got to ask, what flavour's that? I've got to ask, what flavour's that?
Blackcurrant chill from East Sid in Evesham.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Cheers. Oi! Fuck off! What a silly woman! What the fuck? Well, there goes me trying to swear less in this YouTube channel. What the fuck was that? A filter? I come to the point where I need to turn left. I check my mirrors. She's a bit further back. Indicate. Start moving over. And she comes up and does that fucking shit. I was already in the lane and I was already in front of her. knows where he's going to have parked. He's over there. Hey? Coming from you. Fuck yeah! Whoa! What the fuck? That's so long! It's like a firework! Whoa! Nice car. Just squeeze pretty hard then as well. What the hell is that? I don't know what it is, but it looks awesome. Oh, good job, mate. You blocked the zebra crossing. Well done. Good job. Congratulations. Just sat there on a green light. Professional drivers for you. Professional.